We are live, and we're here at the Denver location, and Ray is getting a truck tire and wheel set up on his breakdown machine here. So that controller right there moves it back and forward. Correct? Okay, good.
Locks it up in place.
Locks it in place, right? Let me get a picture. There we go, yep. All right. What's the next thing you do, Ray?
You slide it over, get it set up so it busts the tire in.
Let's back up a little bit here.
Line up the tire with that.
Gotcha. Oh, I like that. So you're controlling the turning with that same
Yeah, the same little paddle on the
foot pedal. Very good.
Yep.
Very good. Out it comes.
Back side of the tire. Back over, busting the front end on.
And off she comes. Outstanding. Ray, thank you for demoing that. That's a big deal. That's a lot easier than manhandling them by hand. Excellent. Thank you.